Cleaning your Amara View mask frame, cushion, quick-release tubing, and headgear before the first use is very important. To disassemble, squeeze the quick-release tab and pull the tube away from the mask frame. Undo the headgear straps and pull them out of the mask frame slots. Disconnect the headgear clips by twisting them away from the mask frame. Grasp the top and bottom of the mask cushion and gently pull it away. Do not pull the mask cushion by the nostril cushion opening. Hand wash the mask frame, cushion, and quick-release tubing each day in warm water with mild liquid dishwashing detergent. Do not use bleach, alcohol, or cleaning solutions containing bleach, alcohol, conditioners, or moisturizers to clean your mask. Rinse the parts thoroughly with water and air dry completely. Be sure the mask and tubing are dry before use. The headgear should be washed weekly or as needed. Unlike this demonstration, it does not need to be removed for daily cleaning. Lay wet headgear flat or line dry. Do not place the headgear in the dryer. Be sure to inspect your mask and tubing for damage or wear, such as cracking or tears. Discard and replace parts as necessary. To reassemble the Amara View mask, grasp both sides of the mask cushion and gently press it into the mask frame. Thread the headgear straps through the mask frame slots. Push the headgear clips onto the mask frame. Press the quick-release tube onto the elbow until the quick-release tabs click into place. The Amara View mask is now fully assembled. Innovation in you. Philips Respironics.